Hey guys, how's it going? It's Alex here. In today's video, I want to show you my newest or latest adaptation of my internal linking tool. So I made them before using Google using the OpenAI playground, the ChatGPT playground, which I actually like better, but I haven't spent enough time fine-tuning this tool to actually make a complete decision. But yeah, I'll show you guys the basis of this tool, and then I'll show you how it works. So basically, I know there's tools like Link Whisperer, and it's possible to do a lot of automated internal linking, but I think from an SEO standpoint, you're going to be better off doing your own internal linking. Now, I haven't tried Link Whisperer or Link Whisperer yet to actually know how well it works, or I haven't really read into anything, but just from an SEO perspective, I do like just doing my own internal linking, so I can choose the right anchor text, I can choose the right area to add the internal link, or if I want to add a call to action or whatever. Anyways, so I did go through the create process here, trying to build this tool, and then here is the prompt that it gave me. So it's just a tool that's tailored for enhancing internal linking, and someone mentioned, why don't I add the CSV file for internal links? So you can go to your sitemap. And I'm using my this is New Brunswick. I'm using my kind of my case study site. So you can go to your sitemap. You can add all of this to a CSV, to Google Sheet, export a CSV, and then just upload that right to ChatGPT, right? So what ChatGPT does is it analyzes this sitemap, the CSV file, which is really helpful, and then it'll you provide a URL, so you provide the post that you're working on that you want to update. But the reason why you want to be doing internal linking is because a lot of websites, client sites, and I'm sure even a lot of blog posts or a lot of blogs just don't have any internal links. So if you have Yoast installed, or if you can use Screaming Frog or anything, you can see here I have dozens of pages, on the website that don't have any internal links at all, and that is not good for site structure, for topical relevance. It's not good for user experience, so that's something you want to be improving. Anyways, for the links you provide, Linkweaver, which is the name of the tool, but now I just changed it to free internal link tool, will craft a sentence with the hyperlinked anchor text based on the sitemap, and it's choosing 10 highly relevant internal links. Yeah. So you can build this tool using Create, or you can use this one, or just copy my prompt here. But anyways, I've unpublished changes, so we're just going to hit update, and I'll show you guys how it works back here. So you can go back to the actual tool, free internal link tool, and then you can just choose any URL, right? So let's choose interesting facts about New Brunswick. And I'll show you why the other tool, or explain why the other tool works a little bit better. So in theory, you post this in, right? Provide your URL. And I might have to pause, but it's going to scan the CSV, and it's going to provide me with 10 URLs, 10 internal links based on anchor text that it comes up with. It might be pretty quick. Based on the anchor text it comes up with for me to add to the post. And I think with some editing to the prompt, you can make this a lot better. But the playground tool that I made before, and I'll link it up on the top, or you'll be able to find it on the channel. It works a little bit better with relevance and the actual link structure. But yeah, here it goes populating the links. You can see for a post about the most interesting facts in New Brunswick. Now that's a bit broad, so it is including a lot of kind of. It's probably just pulling keywords from the text, or just choosing anything related from the content in the URL. It's just to show you guys how it works. So for some of these keywords, or for some of these links, it will work, right? So historic sites, the post definitely mentioned, like for example, contact page, just because I took the whole sitemap and not just posts. But for example, things like beaches, right? Things like historic sites, hidden gems, right, worth visiting. And that's not really a great anchor text, but you can see the idea here. And for a first version, this is pretty good. And then what you can do is actually, so I don't like the quotes either, but what you can do for this one, right, for historic sites, is you could just take this, right, you just copy this, and then you just go to this tool, you just go to your post and then paste it somewhere in the post. And if you do this a few times across all the posts, or if you're doing it regularly as you update content, you will have a pretty nifty internal linking structure, And again, this tool can definitely be fine-tuned a little bit. I do think the playground is a bit better because it does give me more relevant links based on the actual data it's pulling from the CSV. But again, this is a version 1. I just wanted to show you guys what's possible from an internal linking perspective with a custom GPT. It'll be in the link below if you want to try it. Again, I'm open to any suggestions, comments, critiques on how to make this tool better.